Yaga yo, yaga yo, yaga yo, we're outside again. So yeah, family. So in today's video, we're just going to take a little circle over by the East of Brum. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and all of them things there. Remember, it's our daily content alone we are dealing with. So yeah, let's get it.
Brum biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is the Brum biker, Brum rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. So hopefully in this video, I can, show you a little bit of filtering, maybe a little bit of overtaking, just general riding basically. So yeah, I remember when I first passed my test, man, and then years later I bought myself a ZX9R G1 just for a little bit of a runabout. You know, one of the ones, if you drop it, you drop it, it's not a problem. And yeah, I was rather shook to filter, and I didn't even like roundabouts and stuff. And I realized that what it was because I forgot all about the slow control. That's what it was, that clutch, throttle and that rear brake. And then once I remembered that, everything was all jiggy. I felt in full control of this thing. Well, the one I had back then. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what? Alright, so we're gonna go around this guy. See, me personally, when I'm on my bike, I like to be at the front as much as I can. Pause, need be. And I hate when the floor's like this. Floor's really damp. There's a saying they say, trust your tyres. I don't know if me trust my tyres are rotted. It's still there. So a tip for you, I like to stay in the center where it's more dry. Let's go. So we've got Kingshurst straight ahead, and then we've got Chardon to right. Do you know what? Maybe I should have went up Castle Bromwich. Yeah, we go up that way in a minute. So maybe if I turn left at the next available point, I should be able to get over by Castle Bromwich. Yeah, just turn left there. I don't think I've ever been around here, to be fair. So yeah, man, we're just giving you a little bit of sightseeing, man. Another side of Birmingham. Look at all these beautiful houses, man. So Castle Bromwich Gardens is that way. Just turn right. Oh, this is what we're calling Chester Road there. Hang on, which one's the no through road? Is it this one? Really nice, quiet, cranked off spots around here, man. Ain't coming straight to a whole dead end, you know. Right, so last time we turned right at the gardens thing. We're not going to do that. It's nice and quiet as well, man. So Castle Bromwich and Water Rotten up that way, that's all. We ain't gonna do that. Nothing to see. So this now we're heading towards Ward and where's so if you notice already the traffic's looking a little bit more active, isn't it? So again, like I say, adjust your riding accordingly. Stay locked in, locked out. Oh, road's closed. Ugh. You know what? I'll go this way. In fact, we're going to right. But yeah, sometimes I'll do this, man, like, not necessarily any topics. Just go for a little circle, a little tour around Birmingham. If there's anywhere in Birmingham that you want to see, guys, let me know in the comments, especially Birmingham. Yeah, places I haven't been. Just drop it in the comments, man. And I'll do a one circle. Cause you know it says daily content alone. Look at this madman. Yeah, I thought he was going to do a madness. And what you got to do in them instances, you just anticipate everything. Like, just anticipate this guy's going to pull out. You know what I mean? So now look how thick the traffic's getting now. Alright. So, we're looking that it's clear. It's clear. We looked over the shoulder. And we're going around this. Why would a bike be sitting down in that? And then we tuck straight back in, we look over that shoulder, and trust me, when you're riding, guys, when even drivers see you looking over the shoulder, they know your intention. Do you know what I mean? They know your intention. 9 out of 10. You go like that, they're like, okay, yeah, go on. Do you get me? Right, so the lights are on green. And I'm going to turn left, so I don't think there's any point in me right now overtaking these guys. I could if I wanted to, but nah, I'm not going to do that. Again, as I said, adjust your riding accordingly. Editing Jaguar road yesterday. Alright, so you see like this here now, yeah? Get myself right up front. Definitely weren't waiting in that. See what I mean? That guy was indicating, so one would assume he was going that way. So I was thinking to go around him, but I thought let me not. Because as I says, you have to adapt your riding, man. I think sometimes what happens is you go to I feel like every area, generally speaking, has a certain driving style in it. So if you go to areas where it's like a lot of, say like more elderly people, you gotta be careful because, you know, their reaction times might be a bit slower. You know, their vision might be a little bit, you know, not as sharp as ours. So you gotta be really, really careful and don't just assume that people saw you. Do you know what I mean? And you go to, say, like the ends. When you go to the ends, sometimes the ends is active. Like, there's loads of people on the road. You know, some train, some not. Some follow the rules, some don't. You get me? It's a mixed bag. There's a lot going on in that, innit? Do you know what I mean? Some people think you're trying to race. Do you know what I mean? You just got to pay attention to what's happening. Do you know what I mean? If I look in my mirror and I see that someone's moving a bit erratic behind me, I pay attention and I'll try and get in front of him. Do you know what I mean? Sorry, in front of the car, in front of him at the very least. Do you know what I mean? So if this guy in the blue car was moving mad, I'd literally just try and get myself in front of this silver car at the very least. You know what I mean? If he's going to do a madness, he'll do it to him instead. Do you get what I'm saying? If someone's moving erratic in front of me, I keep an eye on him. You know what I mean? So it's just about being defensive, being vigilant. You know what I mean? Stetchford. Remember these areas, man. I have a lot of memories of here, man. Right, is there any way I can get some food? I'm starving. Do you know what? I'm going to tuck in and get some food, guys. So that's the end of this little segment. A little bit of a tour. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget, like, share, comment, subscribe, family. We are out.